So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are reviewing a brand new custom ROM that is Bananadroid. Now this ROM I've been using for past 3 or 4 days and I have some mixed experiences, and I will share every single thing in this video. So watch this video till the end if you are planning to flash this ROM in near future. As usual, we will start with the battery backup of this ROM, and you can see that this is pretty usual, like 9 hours and 31 minutes of screen on time with 132 hours of screen off time and 30 hours of screen combined time. So you can see that here. You can also see that the deep sleep kind of thing is, this is 10 milliamp hour. So it is a bit more, but I just rebooted my phone, so maybe because of that. Usually it hovers around like 3 milliamp hours or 4 milliamp hours. It's not that high usually, but there are some bugs related to the battery. I'll come to them. Talking about the charging in this ROM, you can see that the phone charged from 11% to 82% in just 50 minutes. So the 33 watt is working perfectly fine in this ROM, so you don't have to worry about it. But I did see a bug. Actually, let me just show you. Like you can see here, 82% to 0% in just 10 hours. That is not acceptable. In the night time when I put the phone on rest, the battery backup was around 79%. In the morning it was 0, like phone was completely dead. So it was a bit weird, but it only happened once. I also changed the kernel in this ROM from Sam Holy kernel, I think I am pronouncing the name right, to Agisna kernel. There are a few reasons for that, and after the changing of the kernel, the battery backup improved significantly, like from 100% to 9%, 31 hours and 33 minutes. The battery backup in that Sam Holy kernel was also not bad, like you can see here, 90% to 11% in almost 22 hours. So it's not bad either. It's just one time this happened, this bug happened with me, so I thought it was worth mentioning. There are also some other bugs with this ROM that I'll share in the end of the video, so stay tuned till then. Now talking about the customization in this ROM, you get all the customization in this banana gear kind of thing, and you can see every single customization option available here. I won't be going into the details of any of this customization because the video gets unnecessarily long. You can see the customization that are available here, and these are the customizations. So then there is this lock screen customization, then ambient display custom. I don't even use ambient display, it's just wake for notifications, and I don't really use it because it sucks battery unnecessarily. So there's that. Then there is this theme styler sort of thing, so you can manage your monet theming and all that stuff. Now in the battery section of this ROM, it is pretty interesting. Like you can see here, the battery temperature, this is all common, right? Battery usage, battery saver, adaptive battery, this is all common. But this ROM also tells you the design battery, current battery capacity, and the charging cycles. It also comes with this K profiles, and you can see that use auto K profiles, it automatically switches for battery mode when the phone is in sleep. And you can also choose this K profile mode. I don't really mess with all these settings. Now you can also see this quick settings image. Now this sort of things used to be in back in the day when Redmi Note 7 Pro used to get ROM updates and all that. I didn't own that phone, but I used to see it in videos, and it sort of just vanished from the existence, and it is kind of like nostalgic to see it here, so I thought I should mention it. If you like it, you can use it. Now talking about more important things, the device is certified, so the banking apps work just fine. You don't have to worry about anything. Talking about the benchmark, like you can see here, this is the Geekbench 6 CPU benchmark result. So you can see here 725 single core score and 1687 multi-core score. And the CPU stress test, as you can see, that CPU throttled to 90% of its maximum performance, and it is a 15-minute test. So as you can see, the performance is really good. But this is the result from the Agisna kernel and not that Sam Holy or the default kernel that it comes with. So you should keep in mind. I'll just give the link of the kernel in the description. So in Google Photos app, you don't get that unlimited storage. I don't know if I am doing something wrong or it's a bug, but in my case it's not showing the unlimited storage. So there's that. Maybe it will show in your phone, and I am doing something wrong. I also enabled the settings, unlimited storage setting in the miscellaneous option, but it still didn't update. So maybe it takes time to update or something, but in my case it's just not updating and it's not showing the unlimited storage. So there's that. In the performance test, one of my subscriber asked me to give a Bgmi game, so I will do just that, and I will give you a Bgmi gameplay in 3, 2, 1.
This is a simulation game set in a virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
Team match, let's go.
First point for the red team!
Enemy down! Cover me!
Killing spree for the red team!
No mercy! Expired! Be careful! You're losing the game!
The red team is about to win!
Enemy down! Dead! Reloading! Red team victory!
Now I hope you enjoyed the gameplay. I'm not very pro at it. Forget pro, I haven't even played Bgmi in years. so please excuse my incompetence. This is only for testing. Talking about the camera application, like you can see here, you get this Leica camera app, and every single lens works just fine, and the super macro is also working fine, like you can see here. And you can, the thing about Leica camera is that you can adjust every single aspect of the video in according to yourself. Like you can adjust the saturation, contrast, and all that things in the video itself, so you don't have to manually color grade it later. That's why I love the Leica camera application. By the way, this is my new mouse pad and I got it on Amazon under 200 rupees. Do tell me how it looks in the video, and I'll drop a link to it in the description if you want to check it out. The device also comes with this USB kind of dialer, and honestly it's just better than the Google dialer because you can just record calls without any announcement and all that crap. The ROM also ships with pre-installed Dolby Atmos, and with that the sound experience has been amazing. There are some major issues with this ROM actually, like this ROM is not stable. The system UI of this ROM keeps crashing, and this ROM initially 3 to 4 hours were fine, but after that the system kept crashing. Like system UI would usually stop and reboot on its own. Not reboot, system UI would restart on its own, so the task I was doing on the screen would stop abruptly, or I would have to start all over again. And it's not that it only happened once or twice, it usually happened like every 15 to 20 minutes, so it was getting annoying, and for that reason I can't recommend this ROM for now at least. The previous version of this ROM was very good, like it was exceptionally good, and I'm hoping that they will fix all the bugs in the future versions and they will release the update. And on that note, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.